Hi everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my friends around the world, to all my fellow kababayan. This is Angelica Rondolo once again inviting you this coming Saturday. Catch me live for another Phone Touch live discussion with Miss Bel Serrara of Extra Income on Radyo Aguila. So please stay tuned, and I'll be discussing and sharing some insights regarding how to be, some business tips on how to be a successful entrepreneurs. And thank you so much, Ms. Bel Serrara, for having me again this time. And to all my subscribers on my YouTube channel, to all the followers of my Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneurs, and to my page on Angelica Rondolo, Real Estate, Social Media, and Internet Marketers. Guys, catch me live this coming Saturday. Again, it's a date, February 7, right? At 8 o'clock in the morning, Philippine time, on Radyo Aguila, Extra Income with Miss Bel Serrara. Thank you so much, and I'll try to record this phone touch interview with Miss Bel Serrara for our listeners on Radyo Aguila. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Connect with Jelly. Thank you, and have a wonderful, amazing day. Because remember, this year is going to be a great harvest year for you and me. So, let's make it happen. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.